baby surprise? Okay, come on, honey. 2 hands, careful.
I do.
You do it, okay. Oh, you're a big boy now. Today is your 2nd birthday, and you want to walk down the stairs by yourself.
Mommy, this one.
Yeah? Careful, please. Take your time.
Well done.
Well done. Clean up, yes.
This one.
This one.
Mommy, this one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, what do you see, baby?
Mommy, this one.
You won't let mommy turn on the light.
Mommy, this one. This one.
Okay.
One, this
Wow, what do you see, baby? It says, Happy birthday!
one, this
And there's all these cool balloons.
train.
Yeah, you see a train? And you see cool things?
A cookie.
Oh, I need to fix those balloons. One of them popped overnight. Yay, wow! Huh. Oh, you found a balloon. Oh, it fell down. Okay, mommy will retape it. You can have that balloon, baby. You like it? Yay, happy birthday!
Coming.
Is Uncle Eric coming? No, he came yesterday.
You're coming.
Okay, so let's just take a quick little decoration tour. So in the foyer here, we have some car balloons and a big sign that says Happy Birthday, race car themes with little like racing flags and things like that. And we also have some balloons up there to go with the theme. So there's that. And then in this little entryway into the kitchen living room area, I put these little metallic spiral danglies with little transportation themed symbols on the bottom, like cars, planes, trains. And then also put little signs on the doors that say pit stop or speed limit, all racing car themed. And that's the entryway. Then in the main party area, we have the centerpiece and table sitting area here. So we have a car themed tablecloth with matching plates, napkins, and cutlery. And then in the middle is the second for his 2nd birthday sign. And it also has little like photo booth props in there for the photo booth area. Then on this wall we have pit stop sign with a bus and a fire truck balloon. All my decorations, like every single one of them, I've found on Amazon. So I'll make sure to put the link down below so you can purchase it for yourself if you're interested in throwing a car theme or transportation theme party. Make sure to just check the link in the description. Then up there we have some balloons alternating in color and streamers down the side of the window. There we go. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of bright. And this is the photo booth area. We have his Lamborghini Power Wheel, and I made a balloon. I couldn't think of the word, but it's like a balloon something arch. Yeah, there we go. It's a balloon arch, and also has a little backdrop of a trophy and a car that looks similar to his white Lambo, but it's not because the front grille and stuff is different. If you know what car that is on the backdrop, please let me know in the comment box down below. Anyways, I also inserted little racing flags into the balloon arch. So yeah, and here's a closer look at his Lambo Power Wheel. He got this for Christmas, but Christmas and his birthday are so close together, I decided to include it. And then over here in this little archway, we have more spiral dangly cars and trains and planes and such and boats. And then it says pit stop for the bathroom. And I decorate that little nook. And then that's my storage room. So there's a stop sign there. And here's another view of the backdrop here for the photo booth. And this took me forever. This took me literally like all day to build. Even though it shouldn't have. It will probably take you a lot quicker. But I mean, I took my time. Alright, moving over here into the kitchen area, we have his car-themed cupcakes with little sparkly, different color cars and sayings. Don't mind that coughing, this baby here sitting next to me. And then we catered food from Noodle & Company and also from Buckhorn Grill. And there he is, he's eating his food and having a blast with my family and things like that. He was having so much fun. And then when it came to eating his cupcake, I'll let you see.
Cupcake's so pretty.
He doesn't want to eat his birthday cake.
Try it. Tasty. Yummy. Yummy.
Okay. No more cupcake. I told you. Okay, we done. You done. It's okay.
Let me just try to give it to him.
Yummy.
Oh, let's try it. Just try one, please. One, please. Evan, please. Yummy.
Don't force him. Okay. All right, no cupcake. With his auntie and uncle. So cute. Just running around. Wanted to go outside. Mommy's walking too. Huh? Oh, you want Papa outside? Why is he Papa, oh, Papa is walking the dog. Don't pop my balloon. Oh. 2 years old and already driving. Oh, you want to turn on the light or off? Yeah, okay, mommy, turn off the light. Good job. Well done. Okay, we turned it off. You're driving right now. You're parking. Baby, don't touch the ball. Don't touch the ball. Get him a hoop thing. He's gonna throw it over the fence. Wow. No, we'll wait. I have wet wipes. I'll use baby wipes. Careful, baby. Yep. Careful.
Evan, small. Evan, can you say delicious?
You want more?
You want more?
Baby, careful. Don't move your chair. Go. Oh, I know. Baby, sit up straight if you want more. Sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. Good boy. Go. Papa, give you more. Okay, done now. Done now. Say thank you, Papa. Good boy.
Evan, can you say delish?
Like it better than blueberries? Way sweeter than blueberry. More frosting than cake.
Only for your birthday, okay? Only because it's your special day. Oh, yeah, Daddy's white car. Uncle's white car. Where's my peach chocolate? Here's my peaches.
careful. Mommy tape it back up. Okay, okay, okay.
Thanks for joining us on Baby's card-themed birthday party for his 2nd birthday. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and click on the bell icon to be notified of when I'll post next. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.